Hello everyone, why is VGA is too expensive? Especially external VGA, we can say GPU, okay? So in this video, we will discuss why it's too expensive and how you get one right now. Okay, back to the question, why is this external VGA? If you want to build a gaming laptop or, a gaming desktop or video editing desktop, so it's hard to find one, especially the good GPU. So back to the question, why it's too expensive? The answer is very simple. Right now, during the COVID, less work, many places shut down, and other thing, important thing is the risk of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrency mining. Then people invest a lot of money to buy this GPU to do mining. Instead of a building or a lot of GPU is in mining, so it's hard to find one right now. So how to get one if you want? So if you want to buy right now, it's still expensive. Buy the good GPU, still expensive. For example, this one is GeForce RTX 1650. Usually it around, this can say almost 200, but right now in the market it's 300 plus, so it's quite expensive. And another one like RTX 3060, usually around 400-500, but right now 1000 or more because of mining. So if you want to buy one right now, it's not a good option to buy this one. There are two more options that you can consider. First thing, you can buy a powerful gaming laptop. This is not gaming laptop, but just example. You can buy gaming laptop with good GPU. It is good enough for you to do video editing or gaming with the gaming laptop. So it good time if you want to buy the one. But still, if you want this, you need to buy the called pre-built PC. They have many websites. I will link in the description. You can order and with good enough GPU, but not really expensive if you buy only one. So that is another option to consider. So hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment. Okay, see you in the next video.